beat, I got the maddest of flavors. Don't think that this shit comes cheap. So bitch, don't moan when I charge 15 for a D. Just a little nigga in his zone. Grind hard, can't stay on these streets. Mishmash and I'm doing it all. Dip splash and I'm getting it peak. I'm in the field all day. No time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way. Just watch how veteran speaks. Tooled up on the left for my prey. The Wiggins don't want me to eat. Man, the hood's all mad. I wish I could just make my pee, but these bitches on me, so you know I can't lack. The J boy's really on my back, got me in and out of court, got me feeling a twat. And it's all my fault, cause I'm always getting caught like I'm better than that. The feds got like 10 of the gang, 3 R1, 3 Max, 3 Taz. Rest in peace with my brothers, RP Jets, RP T bands. I built a sweet one with the mean kickbacks. When I think about my bros.
Yeah, it begins. The time is 2 minutes to 4 in the morning, in the AM.
In the AM, bright and early.
We're about to hit up the slopes. Morning, fam.
That's all I ever know.
It's been a shift.
That's what I really know.
Fast cars and silly hoes, airplanes and terminals is all I ever know.
That's all I ever know.
Is all I really know.
That's what I really know.
Champagne and all this cash, make it rain up on that ass is all I ever know.
That's all I ever know.
Is all I really know. When I was young, I was dumb, didn't know which way.
Baggage dropped. This girl's overweight, you know. It's always the girls. 5 kg overweight. 5 kg overweight. Yeah, man. So we've got that sorted.
Now I'm knowing that I made it. Cause I'm steady getting paid off that good life.
Off that what?
Now we in that good life. Yeah.
We've landed safely. About to pick up the whip for the week.
For the skiing.
Are they heavy?
Yes, indeed. 10 shots to the head, indeed. Always wanna talk like they love, man, but they judge mine and my brethren's deeds. Jones wanna bread, indeed. Sure wanna lift up her leg, indeed. Indeed. They was on you when you needed me.
Indeed. 10 shots to the head, indeed. Is it me? Or something in the air we breathe? Indeed. Comprehend all the things I did. Just the best, nothing less, indeed. Intend to make check, indeed.
Young champ with pain in my cup. They want war in their life, but they gotta think twice when they wager with us. We just maintain and remain in the cut. What have I not been faithful enough? For the beats that I slain and I laid in the dust. Come down to no days off, you're bound to make profit if you make it with us. But surely, the man can't talk to my audience for me. You know I stand tall like morning glory. When it's the awkward, they all in 4G. I mean caught it in 4K, ran a video that they caught in the court case. Bro got caught with it all on his person. Now we on the bird while we sorting the toilets. So I've been writing away, back bros G, I've been grinding away. Hang tight Sam, that's my family. Try man get bang in your eye family. That's why I keep trusting my blood. When a dog's not on job, then a man says it's day. It still makes man smile when they say how you man wave, you but ain't riding away.
I'ma show out, don't care about cloud. When I park my car, keep the music loud. We ain't turning down, we ain't turning down. Bro got a bird in his pouch. Have you seen the views from the clouds fly out? Get about, switch up the surroundings. I was the buck 2 feet tall 90s, you probably doubt it. I like where the workers are mounted too, but I'm still trying to climb up the mountain. I just took my peeps to the sticks, it's a family outing. We out. Enough gal one hold something, just brush them. Love to act like fans when I buck them. Who's up in levels like really? Who's from across that ain't cut yet? Enough said, nutmeg tech when the mic was upset. I just made small change, not up yet. Where you grew up, there weren't no tugs there. Went to re-up, there weren't no plugs there. No love, and even in certain man's yards, no hugs there. I ain't co-signing the fuckies, I ain't acting like the road life for me. Unless it's a tour or four-door trip to Amsterdam, yeah, get smoky. Don't stop, go get it. I want pretty gal and digits. One of my DMs like, is it? I'm with it, soon gotta pay that a visit. I'm cutting through Camberwell for a quick plantain and gizzard. If you look in the grass, see snakes and two lizards. And we ain't going home till the whole team finished the mission.
Yes, indeed. 10 shots to the head, indeed. Always wanna talk like they love, man, but they judge mine and my brethren's deeds. Jones wanna bread, indeed. Shay wanna lift up her leg, indeed. Indeed. They was on you when you needed me.
Indeed. 10 shots to the head, indeed. Is it me? Or Traphik in the air we breathe?
Yeah.
Indeed, comprehend all the things I did. Just the best, nothing less, indeed. Intend to make check, indeed.
Are you good? Oh my god. What happened?
I was going fast.
Yeah.
And I was trying to snowplow, but
yeah, this is true. Bye, see you later. To attempt my hardest slope. The sign tells me it's not a good idea. Look what the sign says. Difficult slope for good skiers only. I'm a good skier. I'm a good skier. Let's do this. See you later. Thank you. This is steep, bro. Oh my gosh, this is steep. Oh my god. It's just ice. The sign tells you it's not a good idea. Look what the sign says. Difficult slope for good skiers only. I'm good skiers. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you, boys.
Oh my god. Bro.
I just need a gram, some bread, and a quickie. If I ain't your man, I don't want no hickey. Right now I ain't shit, cause the road looks shitty. Been like that for months, I might roll a blunt and hit that shit once, cause a nigga been sober. God, I can't wait till the day the shit over. I used to walk around with a chip on my shoulder. For every last person I love who folded, I would give grace, but I'd rather give closure. I would take breaks, but I'd rather move forward. I done been chewed up, spit out, kicked out, let down, but I'm still a motherfucking soldier. So fuck what you told me if you show me different. Fuck what you showed me if you came up missing. I know that actions speak louder than words. To think about chance, they never consistent. I didn't got paid more than I paid attention. I didn't feel paid more than I like to mention. Part of my sleep till it's left on the curb when I